Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best headlight restoration kits in 2024. Top 5 available on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Discover the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit, a game changer ensuring headlight brilliance for the lifetime of your vehicle. Developed in-house, this ceramic coating provides lasting UV protection without the need for power tools, safeguarding your headlights and paint. With a simple 3-step process, restore your headlights to a like-new state in just 30 minutes. Trust Cerakote's decades of expertise, industry leaders protecting what matters most across aerospace, automotive, and technology sectors. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Meguiar's 2-Step Headlight Restoration Kit. Revamp your headlights with the Meguiar's 2-Step Headlight Restoration Kit. This comprehensive car care package offers a straightforward 2-step process to eliminate oxidation and yellowing, delivering long-lasting clarity. The innovative headlight coating safeguards against reoxidation for up to 12 months, enhancing both aesthetics and safety during night drives. With no drilling necessary, this kit simplifies restoration, ensuring crystal clear results with the included abrasive pads for a pristine finish. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Clearlight's Tech Restoration Wipes. Enhance your vehicle's safety and aesthetics with this headlight restorer kit. This efficient 3-step process eliminates yellowing, haziness, and oxidation, ensuring optimal clarity for safer nighttime driving. No power tools are required, simply clean, dry, and protect your lenses in minutes. The kit features a convenient 3-wipe system with 2 cleaning wipes and 1 protective wipe for a thorough solution. Developed by Clearlight's Tech, the proprietary formula guarantees professional results and long-lasting protection, sealing lenses to prevent future yellowing and maintain clear vision. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. 3M Quick and Easy Headlight Restoration Kit. Illuminate the road with the 3M Quick and Easy Headlight Restoration Kit. This all-inclusive set comprises a 3M Trizact Refining Disc 3000 grit and 2 quick headlight clear coat wipes, perfect for various plastic lenses. Utilizing 3M's cutting-edge abrasive technology, it effectively eliminates yellowing and grime without damaging the lens surface. Simple to use, opt for a tool-free application or pair with a household drill. Save significantly on costs by restoring your headlights instead of replacing them. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Polywell Headlight Restoration Kit. Unveil the brilliance of your car's headlights with the Polywell Headlight Restoration Kit. Effortlessly restoring sun-damaged lenses in 3 simple steps, this kit includes everything you need for a professional finish: scouring pads, high-precision sanding discs, polishing tools, and UV coating. Eradicate yellowing, haziness, and corrosion to enhance visibility and safety during night drives. Designed for headlights, taillights, and more, this DIY set offers lasting results for up to 12 months. With clear instructions and a common household drill, achieve a brand new look for your headlights with ease. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.